Good evening and welcome to our UK and Ireland news update. Here are the latest developments. 1. Job Sikala and the 2030 political debate. Zimbabwean opposition politician Job Sikala has announced what he describes as an international advocacy campaign regarding Zimbabwe's political future. Sikala says he is engaging progressive voices, including current and former African leaders, to raise concerns about what he terms a potential constitutional coup linked to discussions around extending President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership beyond 2028 under what has become known in political debate as the 2030 Project. Sikala and his supporters argue that any move to delay scheduled elections or amend constitutional term limits would undermine Zimbabweans' democratic rights. However, it is important to note that Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF, has previously rejected allegations of unconstitutional conduct. The government maintains that any constitutional amendments would follow lawful parliamentary processes. At this stage, no formal constitutional change has been enacted extending the presidential term. The issue remains part of ongoing political debate within Zimbabwe. We will continue to report verified developments as they emerge. 2 allegations concerning Uebert Angel. In separate developments, unverified reports circulating online claim that Spirit Embassy founder Uebert Angel may have left Zimbabwe following an allegation reportedly filed at Borrowdale Police Station. The reports reference a complaint number. However, as of this broadcast, there has been no official public confirmation from Zimbabwean law enforcement authorities confirming the existence of charges, an arrest warrant, or that Mr. Angel is evading authorities. We must emphasize that these are allegations on Monai. No court has made findings in relation to this matter, and Mr. Angel is entitled to the presumption of innocence under the law. We are seeking official confirmation and will provide update if and when verified information becomes available. As always, we are committed to reporting with due accuracy and impartiality. If you have verified information relating to these stories, you may contact our newsroom directly. Thank you for watching. Stay with us for further updates affecting Zimbabwe, the UK, Ireland, and the diaspora community.